40 impressions so far, organic posts. We just set this up 2 days ago. 19 opt-ins, 47% conversion rate. So that means that 1 out of every 2 people that got this message opted into the messenger channel. Guys, that's insane because that's free traffic. That's growth hacking next level. It's a very, very big deal. Jonald, go ahead and tell them, what do you think is a value of the brand new all post comment growth tool?
All right, so let's take it a little bit step backward. Before, ManyChat only has the post comment growth tool. So it only triggers on a specific post. So right now they launched a new update on the same growth tool. You'll just have to click or select an option in there if you want all post or just one post at all. And then that all post growth tool will cover all your posts from the day that you started and up until your current post today. You can set it to trigger on different keywords or trigger into any keyword at all, send out any flow. So technically, you can have one keyword that triggers on all your posts to send out, for example, a free PDF, a free guide, or a free mini course about that specific keyword.
Right. So you guys have seen, we covered this on the Facebook Masters on Module 11, the comments growth tool. We do all know that they had a lot of problems with the tool and they were working on updating the platform for a long time. And now it's all super back into action. Very powerful. Before you were able to program, we used to go to growth tools and then we used to go to widgets. And over here, we used to go to new growth tools and do the one that's Facebook comments. And then it only applied to a specific post. So this is a brand new option right here. So instead of specific posts, you can now connect it to all posts. Now, let me give you an example of a use case for this. Let's say that you have a lot of organic content, like Dr. Berg, like myself, like my dad, depending on where you're at as a business, right, as a brand. But it's valuable to everybody, but the more organic content you have, the more important this is going to be. Because let's say Dr. Berg has people saying, I already placed an order and I don't know what's happening. And I don't know if I'm going to get an answer because I already emailed people. Well, if somebody comments the word order, orders, confirmation, etc., to give you an idea, we can program a message automatically to be sent to these people on social media that says, hey, I know you have a difficulty now with your order and I want to see how we can help you. And now what you do with that is that if you set this up right here, but right now, for example, the way that you want to set this up is that you can program it for individual keywords. If you leave this open right here, if you leave this open and you leave it like that, any comment on any post, you can invite people to be a part of your messenger channel. And you can say something like, hey, I want to thank you for commenting on my post. I want to let you know that I'm giving away this particular freebie for people that are interested in my content, etc., or something like that. You make up something like that, and then you generate subscribers on automatic by setting it up one time like that. And you connect it to all posts. That is the easiest way right now to growth hacking. So that is a very, very important one. And you can set it up like that. And we already have connected it. I mean, we did one. Let's see, we go to widgets. Oh, look at this one. This one already had 40 impressions. Look at this, order. We use the word order, ordered, orders, ordered, orders, etc. I don't believe that, as a note, this was done by these guys. I don't believe that it's case sensitive. I don't believe it's case sensitive. I believe that it's just going to be order capital or the first word capitalized, the first letter capitalized, doesn't matter. But in this case, 10 seconds after they comment that, they're going to get a message that is going to go like that. Hey, do you need help with an order you placed on our website? And when that happens, we have something else happening over here. So for example, here, we can set it up. Just so you guys know right now, one of the recent things that is very valuable to make it also a really, really conversational channel. I'll show you in a second. But look at this. 40 impressions so far, organic posts. We just set this up 2 days ago. 19 opt-ins, 47% conversion rate. So that means that 1 out of every 2 people that got this message opted into the messenger channel. Guys, that's insane because that's free traffic. That's growth hacking next level. It's a very, very big deal. Okay, first name, to order any of Dr. Berg's supplements, please visit the online shop down below. If you're trying to place an order or have placed an order already and have a question, please send us an email at orders@.com, or you can contact my office for help. Online shop, call now, etc. That is super valuable, right?
Yes.
I think that's super cool because now it gives you one more step towards connecting with people and really being present, not just all automated systems. And now you can go over here and you go to the settings and you go to the notification sections. And over here, you can actually, every single user can be programmed to notify admin of certain actions. So for example, right now, I'm actually getting notified. Let me just open this up for a second. When somebody comments on something and asks a question, they actually send me a notification as a user of the messenger channel. Look over here. I got it right here. A text below is a notification from Dr. 𝗟𝗡𝗥𝗡. 𝗟𝗢𝗥𝗡 just did something you wanted to know about. I'm going to check it in the live chat. It's going to open up that conversation straight, and now I can see what's going on. So this one says, I'm 55 years old and in menopause. I cannot seem to get into ketosis. Is it in this high fat volume going to make me keep gaining weight? I stayed away from macros recently because of my weight gain on keto. So now you can actually service this person. It doesn't get lost within the bot. It doesn't get lost. You can go one step further here, and you can click over here where it says hide messages from the bot. And another thing that's really cool, I cannot seem to get into ketosis. Check this out. We're going to do this live right now, okay? I cannot seem to get into ketosis. Okay, good. So why don't we get this person into the Keto Basics mini course, right? So you see this option over here? Choose and send any flow to a user. So within the conversation, I can go and click on this. What do you think is the name of the flow?
Ketosis.
Okay, good. So we're going to do this one right here. And we're going to select this flow and flow sent. Look at this. Flow sent via live chat. Invite to Ketosis mini course. So now this person is like, hey, you know, I can get some training on the Keto Basics. So just like that, boom. This is brand new stuff, guys. So it's like, it gives you an idea how much of a platform this thing is becoming.